looking on the bright side. Shit. This connection does not want to go. Oh, CPU, solid. It's in. Oh, it wasn't in. Audio, USB, it's good. Dexter, please. I know, buddy. The computer's gonna be fine, okay? Yes. No. This is it. Press this. Holy shit! Oh! That's the thing that I wanted. That's gonna be my computer. That's really, really cool. Did I even I didn't plug in the monitor. Monitor's turning on. Monitor's turning on. Why am I not getting a signal on the monitor? What if I reboot it? Holy crap. Okay, press Y to reset. I don't know what any of this means. All right, new CPU, it's up. Holy shit, this is a blessing. That's so crazy that just rebooting it actually did something. I'm gonna press Y. USB going in the back. Okay, press the key. It'll be A key. Is that what it means? Okay, I'm gonna reboot. We'll see it this time if I don't get that corrupted message. Okay. Ah, cool guys.